everyone, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how I stretch my natural hair without using any heat. This is my hair freshly washed with no product in it. I experience a ton of shrinkage. So I've separated my hair into 4 sections because it's much easier to do this process by working in sections. The first thing I do is take one of those sections and I part it directly in the middle to make 2 separate sections. The next thing I'll be doing is applying my leave-in conditioner. Then I'm detangling the section with a wide tooth comb, and I'll be going back in to detangle with a brush. When detangling my hair, I like to start with a wide tooth comb. Then I use a brush just to make sure I've completely detangled it. Now I'm making a small ponytail. I'm being careful to make sure I'm not pulling my hair too tight, but I also want it to be tight enough so the hair will properly stretch. Now with the ends, I'm making a braid. Doing this technique, I do make sure that I braid my hair down to the ends because it helps to make sure the hair stretches completely. It's time to move on to the next section. I'm repeating all the same steps. First, I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, which I didn't mention before is the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in. Then I'm detangling the section, and I'm repeating the same process by starting at the ends and moving up to the root. Next, I take my ponytail holder and I'm making a ponytail with this section. I have more hair in the ponytail, so to make sure my hair still stretches properly, I'll be separating the ponytail into 2 separate pieces, which is what I'm showing here, and I'll be braiding each piece. I do this to make sure that my hair is going to stretch properly. I could have made one large braid, but it would have stretched my hair, but not as well as separating these 2 pieces. Once I complete the second braid, in this section I'll have 2 separate ponytails in 3 braids. And in the next clip, you'll see me taking more ponytail holders to band the braids together. I take this additional step because it helps in stretching out the hair. So here you see me with the ponytail holder and I'm banding those 2 braids together. I'm simply wrapping the ponytail holder around about 1/4 of the way down. Then I'm taking another ponytail holder and I'll be banding the top portion to the bottom portion and repeating the same process. I'll be taking these same steps all over the remainder of my head. So far, if you find this video to be helpful, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Alright, here, so you see this is the last section of hair I have to do, and I'm repeating the exact same process. So I started out with one large section of hair, then I parted it in the middle to make 2 separate ponytails. And with the first ponytail I made 1 braid, and with the second ponytail I made 2 braids because there's more hair in the ponytail. After completing the braids, I take ponytail holders to band them together. To look at my hair once I've completed all of my ponytails and braids. So after I complete this, I typically just put my scarf on and I go to bed and I let my hair stay like this overnight. So now it's the next day and my hair has completely dried and it's time to take down those braids. So when taking down my braids, there is nothing really special about this process. It's pretty straightforward. The first thing I do is remove the ponytail holders, then I gently unravel the braid, and then I remove the initial ponytail holder that I put on the root. Without taking down the braids, you can already see some of the length in comparison to how shrunken my hair was at the beginning of this video. a look at my hair once it's completely unraveled, and you can definitely see some length here, and I'm able to run my fingers through it pretty easily. And now I'm just going to continue to unravel the rest of my hair. Here's a look at my hair once I've taken down all the braids. I'm parting out a small section of hair because I want to show you all that I'm able to run my brush through my hair with ease. Not only is my hair stretched, it's also detangled. And here's another look at my hair. In the bottom right corner, you can see the way my hair looked when it was freshly washed and shrunken versus the way it looks now that it's stretched. There's definitely a big difference. This is the process that I typically do after washing because it just makes it so much easier for me to handle my hair. And if you notice in most of my videos, I always start off on stretched hair. This is how I do it. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my weekly uploads. I have some great videos coming up soon, a blowout on my natural hair and flat ironing my natural hair. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.